Today guys, I'm going to be sharing with you how I transformed these two Dollar Tree items into a beautiful notepad holder. If you're interested in seeing this, please do stick around. Welcome guys to my creative corner. This is Claudette, where I create projects using stamps, inks, papers, mixed media, embellishment, and a whole lot of joy. So let's get into today's projects. You're going to keep that insert, which is measuring 5 by 7. We're going to need it to use later on. So we're going to first take the picture frame and we're going to peel off the protective film that is on the front as well as the back. So what we're going to do is take a designer series paper or a printed paper, and we're going to cut it down to the same size as that picture insert, which was 5 by 7 inches. So I have a beautiful color springtime printed paper with tulips. This paper slips right into the back of this picture frame, and you could interchange these paper for any season, any time of the year, which makes this project so versatile. I am going to create a bow using a beautiful double-sided ribbon, which I think matched perfectly with my printed paper. If you're new to my channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload my latest videos. Once you have created your bow to your liking, we're going to add a glue dot to the back of the knot of the bow to secure it to the picture frame. I am going to go ahead and center my notepad in the middle of the frame because I am going to arrange some Scrabble pieces down below, so that's going to help me gauge where I need to put my Scrabble pieces. I am using glue dots throughout this whole project because everything could be interchanged, from the ribbon to the designer series papers, from the to the notepad, as well as the Scrabble pieces. This is a perfect gift for Mother's Day, Father's Day. You could add the word dad, you could add the word mom. This is a beautiful piece to have on your office table. It's a nice piece to look at. I have a bad habit of writing notes on little scrap pieces of paper, and when it's time to find where I wrote my note, I can't find the paper. So this is perfect for me. So after you arrange your Scrabble pieces how you would like them to be, you're going to add some glue dots to the back of each one. And I find that 4 glue dots in each corner is perfect. If you guys are getting any creative value from this video, please go ahead and smash that like button down below. So there's no support to the back of our notepad. It has a thin piece of white paper, so I'm going to add some cardboard to that. So I took a piece of cardboard from an empty cereal box and I cut that out to the size of my notepad, and I am just going to add that to the back of the notepad with my Reptile multi-purpose wet glue. Then I am going to add glue dots throughout the back of the notepad. And then we'll add that notepad to the center of the frame. As you can see, the glue dot provided a nice hole for the notepad and all the embellishments on top of this frame. So next I'm going to go ahead and take some gel enamels and cover up the numbers that's on those Scrabble pieces. So with this project I spent $2, $1 for the notepad and $1 for the frame. So the other supplies I got just from around the house. So this was a very inexpensive, beautiful project. Head on over to my video list and see how I created these butterfly embellishments. Thank you guys for tuning into my creative corner. This is Claudette, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.